Hi, welcome back to my journal journey. Today I am unboxing the March Archie and Olive subscription box. I apologise about any shadows, it's come later at night and I just couldn't wait to open it. So, loving the box design to start off with. And straight in, Nature's Curiosities. Love this, it's absolutely gorgeous. I like how it's all boxed up and it's like a little Christmas present. So start off with coloured pencils. Always a bit funny with coloured pencils because I own so many. So a lovely array of colours, and I'm actually going to go straight into my subscription journal from my Upsy Daisy. I'm going to leave that page blank. I'm going to go to a double spread just to see what these colours are like. I can't see any colour names. There's no stickers. Last time I missed the stickers. It's a really nice selection of colours, but as I say, I do own quite a few coloured pencils, so realistically how much use coloured pencils will get, I'm not 100% sure. They are beautiful colours. And I'm aware with subscription boxes, it's one of those you can't please everyone. They're colouring okay, as coloured pencils do. Just a nice selection there. Going to put those to the side. Gel pens. Feel really bad ripping these boxes, but sometimes they're not the easiest to open, and I'm not keeping them anyway because I have way too many storage boxes in my room. So got some colour names there. So I'm guessing this one is dandelion yellow. Because I found the last one so late, I didn't actually end up sticking them on my acrylographs last time, but stick it around the edge. Brown. And stick it around the top. Leaf green. It does surprise me that you've got to stick your own shade names on. Absolutely destroying that piece of paper. Not that I'm going to keep it anyway. Dewdrop. These are nice gel pens, and if I can find somewhere close by I can see myself reaching for them. They write all right. That blue, that navy blue is gorgeous. The only thing that I'm a bit wary of is getting too attached because of shipping stuff from America. And I like to have a full set of stuff. Go for this box next, which is tape. Oh wow. So there's 4 tapes. I like the different sizes. Got bugs. It's an interesting choice. Got this gorgeous wildflower design. And I love the background colour to it. Got some really pretty butterflies. And the large one, which I think is absolutely my favourite. Stunning design. Little bit of gold detailing. And it rips so nicely. You're very much a fan. I'd use the bug one in conjunction with the others. Not my favourite, but the other 3 definite winners. And I didn't show a close-up of the gel pens. I think I'm going to go for this one next, which is a beautiful box. Ooh. So there's 2 candles for a wax melt and a wax stamp, and that wax stamp is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely in love with that one. I'm going to pop the sleeve back on only because I can't remember where all my other wax seal things are. Onto this box, embellishments. Oh, I've ripped it. It's unfortunate, but there's a nice sturdy box inside. Ooh. definitely liking this. Oh wow, this is beautiful design on the inside and place for different embellishments to be stored, and then a selection of different embellishments. There's flowers, leaves, butterflies, bugs. These are very, very pretty designs. More bugs. Just not a bug person. Another butterfly. Then some tags. And tickets. And the tickets. Which are very pretty. They're very thick cardboard, which try not to use anything too thick in my journal, only because if I get my journal take off, it's already very springy, and that's just with paper and washi tape being used just as decoration. So I try to go away from thicker things, but these are absolutely gorgeous, so I do need to try and find somewhere for me to use them, and a gorgeous box. I'm not sure if I can do all this in my subscription journal, only because I won't be able to write on the next page if I've got 3D things all making the pages bumpy. So that's why I haven't added anything else to my subscription journal at the moment. And then 2 more boxes. I'm just going to put the big box to the side because of space on my desk. And I think I'll go for this one first. They're both notebooks. Just cut at the plastic. And might as well do both of them at the same time. Just so it's easier to take the plastic off. Quite excited about having a different size, only because I'm so used to A5 sizes. Oh, that is pretty. Very pretty. It's a linen cover with gorgeous spine detail, very pretty cover artwork, and nice gold artwork on the inside, and a pen loop. Problem with these journals, I sound like such a negative Nelly. Problem with these journals is they're so gorgeous. I get scared that if I'm gonna wreck them or fall out of love with whatever the choice is or the size when I'm using them, and they're just too pretty not to use all the way through. So green one, green box should I say, and moving it to the side already. Another linen cover with an absolutely beautiful butterfly embroidered on the front. There's no spine detailing or back detailing, just the butterfly on the front and gold butterflies on the inside, and just a dark grid book with a pen loop. So these are the two journals that I've got. I'll just release the charm. 2 journals, a selection of coloured pencils and gel pens, some absolutely stunning tapes, lovely embellishment box with some very thick card embellishments, and the wax seal stamp. Overall, I think it is an absolutely gorgeous box. I think the gel pens will definitely get used, so will the washi tape. I tend to use wax seal stampers when I am junk journaling or for presents. I will add a wax seal onto a gift wrap. The embellishment box, I absolutely love storage boxes, so will always be a hit. The card toppers inside, they are a bit thick to use in my everyday journal for me personally, but they are very, very pretty. I might stick a couple in here. Do a bug because I won't miss a bug. Get my Pritt stick out. Because of the funny shape, I've ended up sticking more glue to my fingers than the actual embellishment. I have got that glue everywhere, but it's okay. There we go. And the tags and the long ones, I think out of all the embellishments, they're the ones that I'll definitely use elsewhere. Overall, very impressed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.